Hello, Sandy from Robotical here with episode 3 of our Weekend Hacks series. Last week we took votes from you guys as to what you'd like this hack to be, and the winner, by a very narrow margin, was hands with closing grippers. So, on Saturday we put a few designs on the whiteboard and we made some new arms with little servo motors in them. Each arm was printed in 3 parts, so it didn't need any support material. It's 2 bits of the arm, including the mount for the servo motor and the moving grabber bit itself. The old arms come off with a single screw each, and then the drive gear was swapped to the new arm part. The servo motor pops in, and then the grabber part screws on as well. These arms are a bit more chunky than the normal arms, so this Marty is gonna look like she's been working out. The new servo motors can be plugged into spare ports on our electronics. So we put her face back on, and then after a wee bit of calibration, she's ready to go. So, here you are. Marty the robot is going to pass a screwdriver, and at last we have a lab assistant. But how do you tell if the grabbers have actually closed on something? And how do you stop them from squeezing too hard? Well, our control board has 9 servo ports that can actually sense the electrical current going through the motors. In general, current is roughly proportional to the torque a motor is exerting, so you can use this feedback about when the grabber has closed on something. I would like to stress that Marty's purpose is more than just passing screwdrivers.